ingredients. 12 elderflower heads rinsed in cold water and dried. Sunflower oil for frying. Caster sugar to serve. To make the batter, you will need 100 grams flour. We're using chapati flour. 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. 175 milliliters of sparkling water. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1 egg white. Now we are going to make the batter. First with the flour. Okay, now mix it around for a bit.
Mix it with nothing.
Okay, so we'll put in the sunflower oil. Okay. Now start to mix it.
Mix.
Put that there. Okay, now we're going to put in the 175 milliliters of sparkling water. Okay. Mix it properly up. Mix. Okay, so now we're going to put in the tablespoon of sugar. Mix it a bit, so make sure it's not all in one place. And finally, the 1 egg white. Okay, now mix it. Mix. It kind of looks like porridge.
Yeah.
What do you think it looks like?
Porridge.
I've never really had porridge.
It looks like I'm making an omelette.
Yeah, it's probably harder because it's not just egg, it's other things as well.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so now we're going to put in some flour oil.
So, now I'm going to put the first one in. So guys, we have put most of the fritters in the oil and they look pretty good.
They're bubbling about.
So now we're going to take the fritters out and put them on the paper towel.
This is the last one.
Ding! So guys, the fritters are done and I think they look pretty good.
You can have some of it with caster sugar if you'd like, and it goes really well with elderflower juice, which we'll tell you how to make in another video.
I'm gonna sprinkle this.
And
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Just really nice. Thank you for watching.